So everyone hit that subscribe button, that like button, and that notification bell. Remember to leave a comment. Okay, so today we're gonna review some of Vybz Kartel's most darkest and sickest lyrics in some of his songs. So today's song we're gonna review is "Stuck with Gunshot," and in this song he says the following.
Me make my gun talk before me. Me make my gun talk before me. Me make my gun talk before me. Them pussy they see me but them don't know me.
So he's basically saying here he makes his gun talks before him. So in a case where you're gonna speak to him or in a confrontation, don't expect him to in the talking.
I could a dozen of them when my magnum pop off. Dozen man a get gunshot before me. Take up badness through him a watch gun show. Me kill you make your baby mother watch your duffy store.
Okay, so basically it's saying here, if there's a dozen guy running up with guns, when he fires, they're all dying once, leaving no remainders, take over, or any of that shit. Now he also says, take up Bunny's trees watching all that gun show, kill him, allow his baby mother to view his dopey story. So, he's feeling all gassed up, wanting that smoke. He's being seeing that smoke on the television, cigarette advertisements.
Nobody no know where your body bury. The gully where you dig up by your cemetery. Me don't talk with don't shot.
So it seems like this might be Mavado disc because he says the gully that you dig up is your cemetery. He's probably referring to that gully side horrific scene.
When the fucking black beat, me lift your face with your brain on the concrete.
So this is simple algebra. X is equal to when the Glock beat, Y would be your face, and Z would be the concrete. There's a plus between all of that.
The shot we spray from the KMH at 1 feet. So me fire 31 and live boy with 1 teeth. You house for no, it's a buckle bomb beat.
Shot we measure from the KMH at 1 feet and fire 31 with 1 teeth. That's equivalent to 1 feet from the whatever gun he's bursting, kicking out each and every one of his teeth, leaving about 32.
Like we butcher do forget the beef and the ram meat. Them no bad blood cleat me don't see.
So here he's saying he cuts through like what butchers do to get the beef and the rum meat, but in this case it's not the beef or the rum meat, it's your food that's being cooked.
Gyal laugh and gyal cheer, cause them know you faker than the fingernail where gyal wear. Coach me off the gun where go spam it like great a beer. Shot a stitch up boy when you see a murder tail a ear. Matic a move like stick shift, clip a change like trailer gear. Rest your ears pan the nozzle you hear.
So he says gyal laugh, gyal cheer, cause he knows they're faker than the fingernails gyal wear. So he knows, those fake ass niggas over there. And Busty made like creative beer, murder Taylor here, taking the crime like, Taylor taking clothes and stuff, and a lot of that shit. Matic move like stiff shift, so that's a Matic handgun moving like a stiff shift car, and clipper change like trailer gear. A trailer has a lot of gears, and that's how quick he's changing his clips, I think. This song that we're gonna review now is gonna call Blackberry, and he says some pretty awesome stuff in this as well, so take a listen.
Pin me a talk, no inna no blackberry. Pin me a talk, no inna no blackberry. Pin me a talk, no inna no blackberry. That pin, we inna the blackberry top.
So, straight from the let-go, he's telling you that the pin he's talking to is not a Blackberry pin, but the Blackberry pin. This one is called Fireball, and he's putting that fire in this one as well.
You a wall. Stand up when you see the fireball. Bet you see somebody miss you like a telephone call when you're gone. Crush a little cushion on me palm.
So he's saying here, if you think you're a wall, stand up when you see that fireball coming, and you're gonna see if someone's gonna miss you like a telephone call. That mom trying to reach you, can't get you. Sorrow, heartbroken.
Cigarette we kill you, gunshot kill you quicker than a pack of Mataran. Life is a gamble and the loody board my band.
So here he's saying a cigarette kills you, but a gunshot will kill you quicker than a pack of Mataran. So you could be smoking all that cigar and stuff, that 20 pack of cigarette a day. All it takes is one shot, man. Don't go to the bar.
Stubborn man, stubborn cause I am a Capricorn. Pan a penny, two a penny. Me a penny, them a penny, me a penny.
So that's basically it for today. Make sure you hit that like button, the subscribe button, and leave a comment. Don't forget to share. And stay tuned for your next video. Let me know what to review next, okay?